Hi guys, today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your OTS Banco map. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on connections, just click on communications, sorry, click here on communications. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on hotels.com, just click on it. You come to this list. Then all you have to do, just come here to personalized trip recommendations, just click on it here. You come to this list here. In here you disable personalized trip recommendations email here. You click here on update, then it's going to update with you here. So that's all you have to do to enable here personalized trip recommendations notifications. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.